Have you ever felt trapped in your own mind? Like no matter how hard you try, the negative thoughts, self-doubt, and distractions keep pulling you down. What if I told you there's a way to train your mind just like you train your body? And now, with AI, you have a personal coach available 24/7 to help you do it? In this video, we're diving deep into how AI can supercharge your mindset, help you focus, build resilience, and craft the optimal mental environment that propels you toward success. Whether you're a student, a professional, or an entrepreneur, this is the guide to thinking smarter, stronger, and faster in 2025.
Section 1. Understanding the optimal thought environment.
Before we talk about AI, let's define what an optimal thought environment really is. Your thoughts shape your identity shapes your actions, and your actions shape your results. If your mind is cluttered with self-doubt, distractions, or limiting beliefs, your results will inevitably reflect that. But the good news? Just like you can optimize your physical environment to improve productivity, a clean desk, proper lighting, and structured routines, you can optimize your mental environment. And that's where AI steps in as a mental fitness partner.
Section 2. AI as your self-reflection mirror.
One of the first steps to building a strong mindset is self-awareness. AI tools like Notion AI, Reflectly, and Google Gemini's sentiment analysis features can act as a mirror for your mind. They track your moods, highlight recurring negative thoughts, and show emotional patterns that are often invisible to you. Example: a student journaling in Notion AI might realize most of their anxiety spikes after scrolling social media at night. With this insight, they can take actionable steps to change habits. Imagine having a tool that not only captures your thoughts but analyzes them objectively, giving you insights that used to take years of therapy to uncover. That's AI-powered self-reflection. Your mind, but faster, smarter, and more actionable.
Section 3. Breaking negative thought loops.
Negative loops can be your biggest mental drain. They're automatic, repetitive, and often invisible until AI steps in. Tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity AI, and Replica can help you reframe limiting beliefs in real time. For instance, thought, "I'm not good enough to start my business." AI reframe. You're at the beginning of a learning curve. Every successful entrepreneur starts where you are. Here's how to take your first actionable step. For entrepreneurs, this is a game changer. AI gives immediate feedback without judgment, helping you see failures as growth opportunities. It's like having a mentor in your pocket 24/7.
Section 4. AI for focus and clarity.
Distraction is the enemy of growth, but AI can help you offload mental clutter and structure your thoughts. Tools like Motion, Sunsama, and Reclaim AI automatically organize your tasks, prioritize deadlines, and free your mind to focus on high-value work. Example: a professional using Motion might schedule their deep work sessions, while ChatGPT summarizes meeting notes. Suddenly, mental bandwidth is freed for creative problem-solving. Clarity comes when your mind isn't juggling everything at once. AI handles the heavy lifting so you can think clearly, plan strategically, and execute with precision.
Section 5. Building positivity and resilience.
Mindset isn't just about thinking clearly. It's about feeling strong and resilient, especially in setbacks. AI can help you cultivate this resilience. Daily AI-generated affirmations tailored to your journal entries or goals can boost self-confidence. Mindfulness apps enhanced with AI, like Calm Plus AI guided meditations, help you reset emotionally. Scenario: a student gets a low grade on an exam. AI suggests reframing it into actionable insights. Here's exactly what you can improve next time to excel. Over time, AI acts as a personal trainer for your mind, strengthening the neural pathways of positivity and adaptability.
Section 6, Rewiring Self-Talk with AI.
Your inner voice shapes your reality. AI tools like Ellie, Voice Analysis AI, or TalkLife AI analyze your tone, emotional state, and communication patterns. Example: a professional practicing presentations can receive AI feedback on confidence, tone, and clarity. By iterating daily with AI guidance, negative self-talk diminishes, while assertive, confident self-talk strengthens. This is mental conditioning at a pace and precision impossible to achieve alone. AI doesn't just tell you what to think, it helps you think better.
Section 7, AI-powered routines for a strong mindset.
Creating daily rituals is critical. Here's how AI can structure them. Morning routine. AI-generated affirmations to set a positive tone. ChatGPT or Gemini provides micro goals for the day. AI-curated focus playlists or productivity hacks to kickstart deep work. Evening routine. AI-powered reflection. Journal your wins and lessons. Sentiment analysis reveals emotional patterns from the day. AI-guided visualization prepares your mind for tomorrow. By consistently applying these routines, your mental environment evolves into a space that supports growth, clarity, and positivity.
Section 8, Real-Life Scenarios.
Student example: struggling with procrastination. Uses Notion AI plus Motion to structure assignments. Journals in Reflectly to spot stress triggers. Grades improve. Confidence grows. Entrepreneur. Example: uses ChatGPT to reframe failures. AI roleplay for pitching investors. Gemini sentiment analysis to understand team morale. Stress decreases. Productivity skyrockets. Professional example: uses AI for meeting summaries, deep work scheduling, and voice analysis to improve communication. Result: more efficiency, less burnout, more career growth.
Section 9, Future-Proof Your Mindset with AI.
Google Gemini, ChatGPT, Nano Banana, and other AI tools will continue evolving. Early adopters who integrate these tools effectively will have a massive advantage. Being adaptable is key, not relying solely on AI but using it to amplify human potential. Mental fitness becomes measurable, trainable, and scalable with AI, turning mindset from abstract to actionable. So here's the takeaway. Your thoughts shape your life, but now AI can shape your thoughts. By harnessing tools like Notion AI, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Reflectly, you can craft an optimal thought environment that accelerates learning, focus, resilience, and creativity. Start small. Journal with AI today. Use AI to reframe one negative thought. Set up your AI-backed productivity system. The power to reshape your mind is here, and it's only growing. Which AI tool will you start using to build your mindset today? Drop your answer in the comments. I want to hear your plan. And if you found this video inspiring, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to take their mindset to the next level. Because your optimal thought environment isn't just a dream anymore. It's AI-powered, actionable, and ready for you to step into.